Hello, adventurous kids. In this wild and muddy adventure, nature shows its toughest challenges as birds, insects, and mighty jungle animals find themselves trapped in thick, sticky mud. From colorful parrots struggling to free their wings to massive crocodiles fighting against the sinking sludge, every creature must use their strength, smarts, and sometimes a little help from friends to survive. Let's begin the adventure. Watch as tiny insects work together to escape. Flamingos often stand on one leg, and scientists believe it helps them conserve body heat or maintain balance while resting. Flamingos are filter feeders. They use their specially shaped beaks, held upside down in the water, Cows are herbivores, meaning they only eat plant-based food like grass, hay, and grains. They can eat for up to 8 hours a day, consuming around 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of food daily. Cows have 4 stomach chambers, the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum, which help them digest tough plant materials through a process called rumination, chewing cud. Chickens are the closest living relatives to the Tyrannosaurus rex, shared ancestry from theropod dinosaurs. Chickens can recognize over 100 faces, human and chicken, solve puzzles, and learn from observation. Chickens establish strict social hierarchies, hence the term pecking order. Shoebill is a large bird found in East Africa's swamps, famous for its huge, shoe-shaped beak. Its powerful bill helps it catch large prey like fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. Shoebill can stand over 4 feet tall and has a wingspan up to 8 feet, making it one of the largest flying birds. Shoebill is both mysterious and majestic. Roosters are male chickens, and their primary role in the flock is to protect hens and help fertilize eggs. The female counterpart is called a hen, and a baby chicken is known as a chick. Roosters are known for their crowing. They typically crow at dawn, but can crow at any time of the day. Ducks are omnivores, meaning they eat a variety of foods, including plants, insects, small fish, and algae. They often forage in ponds, lakes, and rivers for food. Ducks have waterproof feathers, thanks to a special oil gland near their tails. Jackson's chameleons can change shades of green, yellow, blue, or even black. They do this to regulate temperature, show mood, or communicate with other chameleons, not just to blend in. Jackson's chameleons use their long, sticky tongue to snatch insects from a distance in a flash, faster than the blink of an eye. Grasshoppers are amazing jumpers. They can leap 20 times their body length thanks to their strong hind legs. Grasshoppers have ears on their bellies, specifically on the sides of the first abdominal segment, called tympana, which detect sounds. Grasshoppers are herbivores, mainly eating grasses, leaves, and crops, which is why they can be major agricultural pests. Ladybugs are beneficial insects, known for being natural pest controllers. They feed on aphids, scale insects, and other pests that damage plants. Ladybugs can have different colors and patterns, including red, yellow, orange, or black. Some have spots, while others may not have any. Scorpions are arachnids, meaning they are related to spiders, with 8 legs, 2 pincers, chelae, and a tail that ends in a venomous stinger. Scorpions are nocturnal, primarily hunting at night. They use their pincers to catch prey and their stinger to inject venom and subdue it. Scorpion venom is not always deadly to humans, while some species have lethal venom. Stag beetles get their name from the large, antler-like jaws, mandibles of the males, which they use to fight other males for territory or mates. Stag beetles are among the largest beetles in Europe, with males sometimes reaching up to 8 centimeters, 3 inches in length. Stag beetles are considered a threatened species in many areas due to habitat loss. Spiders are not insects, they are arachnids, meaning they have 8 legs and 2 body parts, cephalothorax and abdomen. Spiders have up to 8 eyes, but many have poor eyesight and rely on touch and vibrations to sense the world. Spider silk is stronger than steel by weight and extremely flexible. Rhino beetles are incredibly strong. They can carry up to 850 times their body weight, which is like a human lifting a car. Rhino beetles are herbivores, feeding on rotting wood, tree sap, and fruits. Rhino beetles are great flyers, using their large, hard wings to fly short distances to find mates and new habitats. Yellow jackets have a bright black and yellow striped body, which warns predators to stay away. This is called aposematic coloration. Yellow jackets can recognize threats and may remember people or areas where their nest was previously disturbed. Yellow jacket sting is very painful and can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Unlike bees, they don't lose their stinger. Ants are incredibly strong. They can carry 10 to 50 times their body weight, making them some of the strongest creatures relative to their size. Ants communicate using chemicals called pheromones, which help them find food, mark trails, and signal danger to the rest of the colony. Ants work together as a superorganism. Tiger is the biggest species in the cat family and can weigh up to 300 kilograms. It uses its strength and stealth to hunt large animals like deer and buffalo. Tiger has a unique pattern of black stripes on its orange coat. These stripes help it blend into tall grasses and forest shadows while hunting. Tiger populations are decreasing due to poaching and habitat loss. It is now an endangered animal, with less than 4,000 left in the wild. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. The African elephant is the largest species, with males weighing up to 14,000 pounds, 16,350 kilograms, and standing up to 13 feet, 4 meters tall at the shoulder. Elephants have long trunks, which are incredibly versatile. They can use their trunks to pick up food, drink water, communicate, and even help in social interactions, like greeting or comforting each other. Lions are apex predators. As the top predators in their ecosystem, lions play a crucial role in controlling the populations of herbivores and maintaining the balance of the food chain in their habitats. Lions can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, but only for short bursts. They rely on stealth and teamwork to get close to their prey before making their move. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless. When a lioness gives birth, the cubs are born with their eyes closed and rely on their mother for warmth, food, and protection. Every creature must use their strength, smarts, and sometimes a little help from friends to survive. Let's begin the adventure. Watch as tiny insects work together to escape. While big animals like horses and wild cats battle the mud's grip, the jungle becomes a dramatic stage of survival, where quick thinking and teamwork make the difference between danger and freedom. Along the way, discover how these amazing animals adapt to extreme situations, flapping, crawling, and pulling their way to safety. See you soon, curious friends.